In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use Clipboard in Celia Keyboard. First of all, launch your keyboard and copy or cut any text. Now, you can paste it instantly by clicking on it at the top of your keyboard. If you wanna paste it later on though, hit this X to hide all of those suggestions, and then on this button at the top left corner of your keyboard. Following that, select Clipboard available here, and tap on anything you wanna paste by clicking on it and choosing Paste option. If you want to delete it from your clipboard, click on it as well, but this time hit delete. If you wanna go back to your standard keyboard, click on this icon at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!